Now the question before us is, find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 square centimeter. Now this is the radius which we have to calculate. Now what is given to us is surface area of sphere. It is equal to 154 square centimeter. We have to calculate the radius, that is r. We have to calculate. Now what is the formula for calculation of surface area? Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. We know that the value of surface area of sphere is already given. What is it? 154, and it is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now we will put in the relevant values. Pi means 22 over 7. R square is not known to us because we have to calculate r. In other words, we can say that r square is equal to 154 into 7, 4 into 22, because this item will go to upper side and these items will go to below. Now we will try to solve it. We will divide it by 2, this item by 2. 11 into 7 becomes 77. Now what is left is 7 into 7 divided by 4. It means 49 over 4. In other words, we can say that it is 12.5. This is r square, 12.5. What is r? It will be under root of 12.5 and it will come as 3.5 centimeter. This is the answer. We have been able to calculate the radius of sphere as 3.5 centimeter. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.